So any WordPress website to activation XML sitemap. XML sitemap main reason is called to crawl your web pages. That will be based on your activation process. Based on your activation process. First of all, select XML sitemap.com. Sitemaps.com. Sorry. This site we can download by the XML sitemap files. Select your website URL using HTTPS. Select your more option. What is the option called is page lost to modification, page calculation by page priority. Last one, change your frequency. This is always change your frequency. These three options will mandatory to activate before XML sitemap. XML sitemap to download your web pages for indexing process checking purpose. This page index or not. Now click for download. The total scanning your pages. Every day you can update by the XML sitemap is a mandatory field. Every day you are updating by XML sitemap. It is scanning total pages. This is total scanning your pages. What are the content you are updating? Total scanning by your pages. Nothing but to index and crawling purpose. They are scrolling images. They are scrolling by your folders and your URL option and your particular options. To wait for scanning here up to 1 minute. Now select by the sitemap. Click for download. The file was downloaded here. Go to cPanel. Click for file manager. In this option call is public underscore HTML. Select your upload. Select your XML file. Download. Add it. Now, my XML sitemap file, update or not, how to check. Select your website, go to domain extension /sitemap.xml. See this. Activated. This is called your particular activation by your URLs. Is it clear? This is called and check by your activation process. So always keep it in mind. This is the most important by your particular options. This is a very particular adding by tag information. This is called activation. We can check by using by the cPanel. Any WordPress to activate XML sitemap to crawl your web pages on Google or any kind of search engine list purpose. So any activation will be not done. Two effects. One is not crawl your website. Second will be the affected by your website traffic. One will be the not crawl your Google search engine list. Second thing will affected by your website traffic. What are the content you are updating? Next update is called XML sitemap. Update your files. So this is called activation for XML sitemap in a particular website and to check the files.